If your car won't start with a new battery, there are several potential reasons for this issue. The most common causes include installing the wrong battery, improper installation of the battery, or a faulty starter. To resolve these problems, start by verifying that you have the correct battery for your vehicle. You can do this by searching for your vehicle's owner manual online and checking the specifications of your car's battery to ensure the new one meets these requirements. If the battery is correct, the issue may lie with the installation. To properly install the battery, access the car battery and disconnect the terminals. Beginning with the negative cable, inspect the cables for any signs of damage and replace them if necessary. Remove the metal bar securing the battery. Take out the old battery and clean the battery tray and connectors to ensure they are not damaged. Once the area is clean, install the new battery and attempt to start the car. If it still fails to start, the problem may be with the starter. To diagnose this, listen for any grinding, whirring, or clicking noises when trying to start the car. If you hear any of these sounds, it's likely that the starter needs to be replaced. To replace the starter, access it and remove it. Then confirm that the new starter is identical to the old one. Install the new starter, secure it in place, and connect the wiring and battery. If the car still won't start after trying these steps, it's recommended to seek professional assistance. By following these simple steps, you should be able to identify and fix the issue with your car not starting. Even with a new battery,